Hello and welcome to a new video where I will show you a new feature that I added to the Spinomatic plugin. Starting from now, it will be able to process Spintax directly in the post content, title, excerpt, and so on. And also block spinning will be supported for this. So let's get started. Create a new post to demonstrate this. I already have a little Spintax that I saved. So this is my little Spintax, add it twice to the content and also to the title with a little modification like this. Okay, now let's publish our post and let's check it on our blog. So here it is, exactly like we created it with the Spintax not processed. Okay, so now we have to go to the Spinomatic plugin, and in the latest update you will see this new checkbox enable Spintax post filtering and block Spintax minimum and maximum blocks. So let's enable the Spintax post filtering and simply refresh our post. As you can see, all Spintax was processed and the content is now genuine. If we refresh this page, the Spintax will keep updating because each time the page is refreshed, the Spintax is processed. This will apply to the post, title, content, and excerpt. Also note that block spinning is supported for this. You can define here in plugin options the minimum block count and maximum block count for block spinning. Okay, so this is the update for Spinomatic right now. I hope you will enjoy it. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.